Back to our weather alert now and the threat of serious storms and tornadoes tomorrow.
Chief Meteorologist Albert Ramon is in the weather sphere now, stepping us through several rounds of severe weather, Albert.
Well, I wanted to first start off with a setup. What is going to be happening in our atmosphere 24 hours from now? An unusually very strong area of low pressure approaching us from the west. That's going to force a warm front into our southern viewing area, and that's going to put the ingredients in place of destructive winds, flooding rain, some hail-producing thunderstorms, and it's a high-end risk of tornadoes for tomorrow. We could have a repeat of what we had on Thursday with even a few EF3, if not higher, type tornadoes possible, especially in our southern viewing area. So I want to get you updated on the latest timeline. 2 rounds. The first one comes in first thing tomorrow morning, 8 a.m. to noon. That's a window for widespread rain. Some of it could be on the heavy side. Severe weather threat is pretty low tomorrow morning and mainly confined to areas south of I-80 in terms of damaging winds and maybe some hail producers. The main event, though, arrives 2 o'clock to 7 p.m. tomorrow evening. This is when we'll have widespread showers and thunderstorms, heavy rainfall, and embedded in all this, winds potentially 60, 70, if not 80 miles per hour. So there's a high-end destructive wind threat and also the potential for strong tornadoes for tomorrow on the order of EF3 type tornadoes like we saw last week, if not higher. That's going to be possible with flooding rain, also an increased threat for tomorrow afternoon, tomorrow evening. By the time we head towards mid to late tomorrow evening, especially as we get closer to 9 o'clock tomorrow evening, the storm motion will move off towards the east. There'll still be some residual flooding issues in terms of river flooding, especially basement flooding and street flooding, but calmer skies are expected beyond 9 p.m. for tomorrow evening. It is a rare level 4 out of 5 on the severe weather scale for areas to the south of I-80. It'll be along the south of I-80 that has overall the highest threat of big-time tornadoes. Wind damage, though, area-wide from the Wisconsin line down to the Kankakee River Valley. Hail threat is a secondary threat, and flooding is also a high threat for tomorrow, even higher than what we saw last week. 2, 3, 4+ inches of rainfall will be possible, and a rare moderate risk for flash flooding is posted for much of our area for tomorrow afternoon and tomorrow evening. So it's going to be quite busy for tomorrow. Thunderstorms exiting out of the viewing area right now. Had a few rumbles working across parts of northwest Indiana. We'll have a quiet night tonight with temperatures going from 60s this evening into the 50s tomorrow morning, and we are mainly dry now through 8 a.m. Beyond 8 a.m., the first wave of rain and storms moves in. Low-end threat of severe weather, but right along this warm front tomorrow afternoon, 24 hours from now, it's these rotating supercell thunderstorms that again could produce multiple tornadoes, long-track tornadoes. Unfortunately, similar setup to what we had last Thursday. The area of low pressure coming in, though, even stronger than what we had last Thursday. So 70 for tomorrow and 100% chance of severe weather. Weather alert is posted. 74 on Thursday, 75 on Friday, near 80 degrees on Saturday. Storms as we get towards Sunday afternoon will be likely for Father's Day, and temperatures will rebound back in the upper 70s as we head towards a week from today. Eric and Joe, we're going to keep an eye on the radar and have updates online and on air as needed all day tomorrow.
Yeah, we'll see what tomorrow brings. Albert, thanks.